चावल का सस्ता बनाने से ज्यादा दाल मखनी, चावल, कांदा
Today's Science Day. I am Ayushat and he is Siu and he is Vishnu and Aryan and Aditya. We are make electric bell which made up of a battery, switch, wire and motor and one plate. When I give the current and switch on, the bell has rang.
My topic is when we switch on the current comes to a conductor and the voltage the teamwork of communities. They are lavish, this is a class of 40 water and when I put 40 water into it, the first light is out of let's see how our then it goes the second cup and then the third it
Now explain.
So this is a hard model and this is the working of a hard model. Blue color represents the deoxygenated blood and red color represents the oxygenated blood. The oxygenated blood first come from right ventricle and then goes to right ventricle. From there it goes to right auricle and then it goes to lungs. This is now the oxygenated blood comes from lungs and then it goes to left ventricle to aorta and it supplies to all parts of the body and like that you can see that the oxygenated blood is flowing and here the oxygenated blood is flowing and the
किस बोलना है?
Sir, this is a 7-inch collar treatment. It is a house and this is connected with a channel and this is a big table, small table, sand, cotton and from here the big things like human history, solid waste will go and here's small waste and here's sand like normal things will come and here all the things will get clean and here's this is the here it will connect with a pipe so here the green water will here and it is connected with the garden and there from there the water will go in a garden and that's all this is sewage waste water treatment.
Thank you.
Good morning everyone. तो आज हम जब बारिश होती है तो यहाँ से करके वाटर बड़े बड़े छन्नाट में गिर जाते हैं ये दिखाते हैं पौधों में पानी डालने के लिए एग्रीकल्चर बर्तन धोने के लिए कपड़े धोने के लिए कई सारे काम वो करनी करती है
The main aim of my project is to take by research and give value on it. Thank you.
The solar power is generating electricity to light up the house, and the wind turbine is generating the garden is helping us lead the environment healthy, safe, and reducing the pollution. That's all.
Explain.
This is Mr. Shabda, this is Shasta, this is the Parmani, this is the Shasta, this is the Bruiser. Some we have created a water purifier, a local water purifier that will like minimal power and that will reduce our use and we are using daily basis. So as we all know, during a lot of any emergencies, people are just drinking dirty water, which is very harmful for their health and that is not applicable for their health. So sir, we have decided to make a water purifier that will not harm any person's health and that will not harm them and they are available for their drinking. So as you can see, here is dirty water. This dirty water is not applicable for our drinking or any person's drinking. So then we have to supply this dirty water in this big storage. The big storage has some big particles, big stones that can harm our health. And after that, this small stones are placed in the same room. So this small stone also removes the small particles, but it removes the small particles. After that, the particles are removed now, and only the water is there. The water is containing the bad smell and containing the bacteria, bad bacteria. So this charcoal plays an important role. It removes the bacteria and bad smells. Then this water goes in the sand area. This sand absorbs the water and bacteria, and after that, this water goes in the tissue paper area. And tissue paper also absorbs this water, and after that, we get the clean water, and it can last entirely in 5 years. But this water is not good for our health. It's not 100% applicable. So we want to drink this soda. Why it is for drinking? Sir, I hope you have you like this experiment. Sir, please give us remarks.
Let's start.
A very warm good morning from the Kinetic Catchers team. It is Muhammad Aslam, the head of Kinetic Catchers. As you can see, this is a windmill project. Here, the windmill moves through the air and the light is on in the houses. The farmers can
keep giving water to the plants, and when you do that,
Water crop by using sunlight, prevent loss of salinization, soil balance, batteries, pumps, organs, and water files. Salinization changes solar energy by sunlight and generate electricity. It is very useful for farmers, specifically in area where there is less availability of electricity and salinization save money. It does not need diesel, petrol, chemical, etc. This is a simple and useful for our farmers. Thank you.
जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ एयर प्यूरिफायर बनाए हैं और इनकी बनाने की बहुत जरूरत है क्योंकि पढ़ने से गाड़ियाँ फैक्ट्री से धुआं निकल रहे हैं उसके साथ बहुत सारा ऐसी बीमारी हो रही है जिससे इंसान की मौत भी हो सकती है थोड़ी सी सांस लेने में तकलीफ। तो यहाँ पे सवाल आता है कि एयर प्यूरिफायर काम कैसे कर रहा है। ये एग्जॉस्ट फैन जो सबके घर में होता है ये हवा को ऐसे खींचता है और कॉटन में पतला लेयर है उस पर हमने कार्बन यूज किया है जो पेंसिल का ग्रेफाइट होता है तेल का कार्बन होता है जिसमें एनोड और कैथोड है उसकी वजह से ये जो गंदी हवा निकल रही है वो साफ होकर के उससे निकल रही है। साफ कैसे
लगाया जाए जैसा कि चाइना में और चाइना में का जो एरिया बचा हुआ
renewable energy which uses different means to generate and supply electricity. This is green energy which uses wind mills to make fans, generate energy and produce electricity in digital lighting process. This is solar panels which uses sunlight and convert photovoltaic rays to DC power. This is hydropower plant which uses water flowing water.
पर्यावरण की रक्षा करें।
स्लोगन है महात्मा गांधी का स्लोगन। महात्मा गांधी का स्लोगन जो है इसके लिए एजुकेशन के लिए। आप पहला स्लोगन तो ये सुने होंगे कि राइट टू एजुकेशन, सर्व शिक्षा अभियान, खूब पढ़ो खूब पढ़ो। सर्व शिक्षा अभियान में क्या होता है कि एलिमेंट्री एजुकेशन जो होता है क्लास 1 से लेकर के 8 तक वहाँ पे फ्री एजुकेशन दिया जाता है। ठीक है, तो स्लोगन ऑफ गांधी जी पहला है, मेरे साथ दोहराइएगा। बापू का था यही कहना, अनपढ़ बनकर के कभी न रहना। क्या हुआ? बापू का था यही कहना, अनपढ़ बनकर कभी न रहना। हो गया एक पहला स्लोगन। दूसरा है आधी रोटी खाएंगे फिर भी स्कूल जाएंगे। ये महात्मा गांधी का स्लोगन था। थैंक यू बोलिए।
थैंक यू।